A warm and graceful good evening to our honorable guest, R.D. Weissman, HRM PWAF, Jacob Ballo, Regional Secretary, Weissman, PWAF Sujit Varghese, First Lady, Vice Women, HRM Richa Jacob, Weissman Club of Array President, Weissman Justin, Secretary, Weissman PWAF Cletus, Treasurer, Weissman Sido, Vice Minutes President, Vice Women Asha, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work hard to make this event possible. I, Vivek Adol, on behalf of Weissman Club of Array and the entire fraternity of the club, extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty for making today's event a grand success. On behalf of Weissman Club of Array, I extend my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Weissman PWF HRM Jacob Ballo, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely ensure us in all our future endeavors. Your thoughts have enlightened our mind and have shown us a new path. I also want to thank our guest speaker, Weissman PWAF Sujit Varghese, for your active participation of this event. You truly made this event enlighten us. The deep knowledge has been added to the glory of this event. Today we have got a lot of information which will truly help us in our life. We have no words to offer gratitude of your valuable presence here. You give deep insight to the topic and reveal some interesting facts. I also want to extend my thanks to all speakers who have entertain us with the important and worthy opinion. I want to appreciate their effort to make the event informative to all of us. Special thanks to First Lady, Vice Women, HRM Richa Jacob for your presence on this occasion. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling a week ago. It required planning and a bird eye to detail. Weissman Club of Array have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated members. I am short of words to express my vote of thanks of this involvement and their willingness to take the responsibility. A special mention to our Weissman President Justin and Vice Women's President Asha of being the catalyst that stimulates us to do the best with a deep sense of appreciation and guidance. Our sincere gratitude to the PSD members and the core committee members to lead us in the right direction. Based on the activity report of the Weissman Club of Array presented today, I am confident that no one else the club in this region contribute as many programs every month with more than 90% of the attendance with the family members. I would like to thank all the Weisslings and everyone who participate in today's program for making this event so joyful. A big thank you to Weissman Vinod and his family to arrange the hall and the dinner for this evening. Last but not the least, a big thank you for each one of you who made the celebration memorable. We thank you for being with us.